In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the sender email address in Salesforce flows. This is an essential step if you're looking to customize your flow emails and ensure they come from a professional and consistent address. We'll walk through this process together, and by the end, you'll be able to manage sender addresses like a pro. To kick things off, the very first thing you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you're using an account with the necessary permissions to access and modify flows, as this will ensure you can follow along with each step smoothly. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup option by clicking the gear icon located at the top right of your screen. From here, you'll want to open Advanced Setup. This area allows you to access a range of Salesforce settings and configurations, specifically the ones we need to establish your sender email address. Next, in the Quick Find box, type in Organization-Wide Addresses. This tool is crucial because it allows you to set up and verify email addresses that can be used across your organization. Within this section, you'll add or verify the sender email address you intend to use. Make sure it's correctly formatted and verified to avoid any issues when sending emails through the flow. With your organization-wide address set up, we now pivot back to the Quick Find box. Type Flows and hit Enter. You'll then click on the option to create a new flow. This is where you'll build the flow that incorporates your new sender email address. Inside your new flow, add a Send Email action. This action is what allows you to automate emails directly from Salesforce. When setting this up, you'll notice an option to choose a sender type. Here, you'll select Organization-Wide Address. By doing this, you're telling Salesforce to use the address you just verified. After choosing the correct sender type, proceed by selecting the specific email address you added earlier as your organization-wide address. It's essential to ensure this selection is accurate, so your emails are delivered from the correct source. Following this, you'll set up the recipient's subject and body of the email. Be as detailed as possible in these fields to ensure the email meets your communication goals. The subject and body should provide clarity and context to the recipients, making certain your message is both professional and comprehensive. Finally, you'll need to save your flow. Once saved, make sure to debug it to identify any potential issues. Debugging is a vital step as it helps you pinpoint mistakes or errors that could prevent the flow from executing correctly. Once debugged and all errors are resolved, go ahead and activate the flow. Activation is the final step, making your flow live and operational within your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your sender email address within a Salesforce flow. This process not only ensures that your emails are sent from a unified organization-wide address, but it also enhances your communication with accurate and professional email dispatch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.